Okay guys, let's test a new feature in Shadow Assistant. So let's visit Shadow Assistant page, download. We are recording this video from my iPhone since the assistant is invisible. The full price of the product is $50, but you can use the code of student 2025 and have 50% off. So with $25 you have the interview assistant, the coding shadow assistant, yours forever with all the updates and the customer support. So now it has downloaded, almost done. Okay, it opened. Where is it? Here it is. We open. Okay, now we need to log in. And that's it. So here it is, the assistant. It's this small bar that I'm moving. In order to move in Mac, I'm using Command and arrow keys. In Windows, it's Control. And you can move, and place it wherever you want, depending on where is, the question. So let's check a little bit the menu options. So here we can hover over and check the settings. We can input here our OpenAI API key, and we can choose which model to use. Let's use Nano to have faster answers. The DeepGram API key is in order to transcribe the conversation. So we have added ears to our application in order to listen to the interview. The transcription language, yes, of course, will be English, and we do not we don't have any other connected display, so yeah, it will remain in this. And here we have the shortcuts. So yes, we can use Command B, and we can even make it the application to disappear at all. We can take a screenshot and take a screenshot or multiple screenshots of the active window in order to send to the AI. We can transcribe the interview. We can also see the transcription if we want, and if we want to generate solutions, Command Enter and Command Q in order to exit. So let's check the transcription feature, which is the new feature. We can let's open the transcription panel. So we can see it and click on Start. Here it will show the transcription of what it hears. So let's start here an example.
Today we're going to be dealing with unit conversion. And specifically, I would like to ask you to write a program that can answer unit conversion questions, like how many meters are in an inch, given a big list of conversion facts about units. So by way of example, I'm going to paste in some example facts and queries. In the coder pad. So a few things to note. So the top has a list of example facts, and the bottom is like a list of example queries that you might be able to answer in this way, given those facts. You don't have to do any parsing, so I'm going to pass the facts to you as string, float, string tuples, and the query is a float, string, string tuple.
Got it. Okay, cool. Yes, makes sense.
Cool. So
So now that we have the question, we can stop the transcription. We don't need any more. Let's answer with what we have. We can even close it. The transcription is always there, the transcription panel. But what we need is to get some answers. So of the question, we click on generate solution or hit command enter and we wait for the answer to come back. Let's see. And here we are. So we have an answer in Python as we have set in settings. So let's check the answer up to the bottom. We use command and the arrow to move. We can see that it's a full example, full program. It also has the time and space complexity at the bottom of the solution. It also has some thoughts in order to answer, and yeah, that's the whole answer. So now we can again make it appear or disappear, or we can start again. We can start a new, we can open transcription panel. We can start over. We can, let's check the screenshot of the code. So let's start over. Take screenshot. We took the screenshot. We should allow. Okay. So let me put here in order to allow. Okay, we should allow, and then let's solve it. The allow, yes, it will be for only for the first time, the allow message. So now we have sent the same question, but only the screenshot without the transcription. Let's check for the answer. You can see we have selected Python, and here is the answer. With the command Q, we can close the whole window. Thanks for the update. Bye.